One man cursed.
One man prayed.
One man promised.
One died condemned.
One died forgiven.
One died innocent.
One died in sin.
One died to sin.
One died for sin.
One was held by death.
One was released by death.
One conquered death.
One lost life.
One gained life.
One was life.